Advanced study related English words with Hindi meaning and easy example sentences. Conceptualize. Avadharana banana. Students must conceptualize the idea clearly. Rationale. Tark/Karan. Explain the rationale behind your answer. Framework. Tancha. This chapter provides a basic framework. Paradigm. Udharaniya model. This theory changed the learning paradigm. Cohesive. Jura hua. Write a cohesive answer. Substantiate. Praman dena. Substantiate your argument with facts. Validate. Pushti karna. Validate the results again. Exemplify. Udharan dena. Exemplify your point. Consolidate. Mazboot karna. Revision helps consolidate learning. Facilitate. Aasan banana. Technology facilitates education. Articulation. Spasht abhivyakti. Articulation is important in exams. Feasible. Sambhav. Your plan is feasible. Perspective. Drishtikon. Understand different perspectives. Scholastic. Shekshnik. He has excellent scholastic skills. Acquisition. Arjun. Language acquisition takes time.